In this video, you'll learn how to create a Wecasa account. By the end of this guide, you will have successfully registered and be ready to use the platform. Begin by navigating to the Wecasa website using your preferred web browser. Ensure that your internet connection is stable to avoid any interruptions during the sign-up process. Once the full page loads, locate the sign up button, which is typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this button to proceed to the registration options. You will now see 3 options for signing up. The first 2 options allow you to sign up using your existing social media accounts, sign up with Facebook, or sign up with Google. If you prefer this method, click on the respective button and follow the prompts for authentication. Alternatively, you can choose to fill out the registration form manually. To do this, select the manual option and the form will appear where you must enter your details. Start by selecting either Ms., Mrs. or Mr. from the drop-down menu. Next, enter your first name and last name in the corresponding fields. After that, input your email address, followed by creating a secure password. Make sure your password is strong to protect your account. Proceed to enter your phone number in the format specified, for example, +44 7400 123456. This step is crucial for account verification and recovery. Before you can create your account, you need to accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Locate the checkbox and click to tick it, indicating your agreement. After filling out the form, click on the Create Account button at the bottom of the page. This action will submit your registration details and you may see a loading indicator as your information is processed. If Wecasa requires email verification, check your inbox for a verification email. Follow the instructions in that email to complete the sign-up process. This step is important to ensure the security of your account. Once you have verified your email, your Wecasa account creation is complete. You can now log in and start using the services offered by Wecasa.